Okay, we're at the new Smyrna Marina again, just to show you an update. There's the fish and tackle. It's called the Fishin Store and bait and tackle. There's the marina. This place is going to be awesome looking. They're very close to opening. Here's Outriggers Tiki Bar and Grill. It's going to be a restaurant and bar. And it's right on the marina, as you can see. There's a lot of construction going on, so we got to be careful where we're going. This is a pretty neat idea they have right here. The actual outside tiki bar. They got multiple TVs out here, and you can come out here and have a couple drinks or appetizers and watch and see the boats coming in. Or when you bring your big boat in here, you could actually come in here and meet some locals and have a couple drinks, get off the ocean for a little while. Right back there is the townhomes that they're building. They're for sale. There's the pool and spa. They're finishing up. Everybody's working today. Across the way there, a bunch of condos and townhomes for sale also. This is where you could pull your boat in and relax after a fishing tournament. A couple boats coming in there right now. Let's see what we got back here. See if we can some action going on. Like I said, I don't know how far we'll be able to go into here. There's a townhome. We're just going to run through here real quick because I don't want to get in the way. Here's the other set of townhomes. Those will be directly behind there. And then there's another set. They're going to be right down through the middle there, right where the P&S paving trailer is and the cat digger. That's what the dry storage building is going to look like, so you can put your boat up there. A little bumpy here. That's what the back of the units are going to look like. That's where you're going to drive into the condo or townhome to park your car. And let's go back out here. They're trying to figure out colors for the building, for this building. They already have the one picked out. And as you can see, there's the restrooms and facilities. They're working inside right now and getting it knocked out. Looking good. So everything's looking really nice. It's gonna look awesome. They got the roof going on today also. They've got 2 roofs done and they're getting ready to work on another. And that's about it.